Hello lovelies people of the world, welcome to Refika's kitchen. Today I came up with a recipe that will carry our summer, this beautiful weather, into winter. It's happiness and it's gorgeous taste. On this channel we have made different sauces, pepper paste, jams from the summer to take them to winter. But today I came up with a magical sauce recipe, and this recipe you can use in your pastas immediately. Just boil your pasta and mix it well. It's going to be gorgeous. Or you can use it with your meats and have a gorgeous recipe suddenly, or your schnitzels, or you fry some veggies in your air fryer with a bit of yogurt, put this sauce and it's also going to be gorgeous. We have this cauliflower Iskandar, you can use this recipe there as well. So it is this amazing thing in the jar, and I would like to take you step by step to how to make it, and if you're ready we can start. We start with these plum tomatoes. We call them egg tomatoes actually, but you can use ordinary tomatoes like this as well. The thing about tomatoes is when they are really ripe, they carry umami. What is umami? It's the fifth taste, brings every taste, salty, sour, bitter, all those tastes into more gorgeousness. So, as a basic sauce, tomato is the one that mostly loved in the world. What's the difference of plum tomato from those round ones? Basic thing, if we cut them in half and look at inside, these plum tomatoes have less seeds, lot more meat, whereas these round tomatoes are more watery, they are more juicy, it's more pleasant to eat. But when you're making pastes and sauces, even in the industry, they use these. So first we cut a plus sign to the bottom of the tomatoes and put them into boiling water. Usually they say it's 10-15 seconds and then put it into cold water. Then it's very hard to peel because we're gonna eventually cook everything. Put them in for a minute and a half. The side starts to get out and put them into cold water. In here I didn't have a lot of ice, but I had these, we call them ice blocks. Cold makes them cooler easily. It's easy to take the skin off the tomatoes. Peel the tomatoes this way and then cut it in half. But actually when cutting in half, we don't cut it in half. We cut a little above from the stem point because these tomatoes are more industrialized. The way they industrialize it is they make sure that they don't fall from the plant. So they make this inside rather deep, like this. This side goes really deep. It's not pleasant to eat, so we have to cut that part out. We put it into the blender to make it a total puree. Then for each kilo of tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. For each kilo of tomatoes, I use 2.5 cloves of garlic, finely diced. Then I put the garlic in and then let it fry a bit. After I get the smell of the garlic, which is really gorgeous, I put the tomato. You have to be really fast, otherwise the garlic will start to go brown and the taste dies away. So we don't want that. We immediately put the tomato puree. Then a bit of salt, a bit of sugar to balance the acidity, and I want some spice. So I had these dried red peppers. You can use any kind of red pepper of your choice, whatever you can find, but preferably don't use the red flake pepper. After 1/3 of the water gets evaporated and the color starts to brighten a bit, it's time to add the vinegar. The vinegar helps to balance its acidity, and instead of having a sour taste of the whole sauce, we get a more balanced taste in the sauce. We let it cook for another like 20 to 25 minutes. Then it's ready to be jarred. The jar, put it into the hot water, or if you have the 70 degrees Celsius dishwasher, you can use that. Take them out of that, put the sauce, make sure that the sides do not get dirty. The lids also have to be sterilized. Close the lid really fast and let it cool. You can cool it under running water if you like. From hot to cold, if it goes really fast, the lids will be closed much better. So basically that's the sauce. How are we gonna use this sauce? In a pasta, boil the pasta, reserve some of the water, mix it well. In a pan, put the sauce in and then put the pasta in, add a bit of the water of the pasta. Voila, you get this gorgeous tomato sauce pasta. You can add a bit of cheese and it will be a feast. Secondly, in a meat like a schnitzel, prepare a schnitzel, put the sauce at the bottom, put the schnitzel in, and then maybe a bit of cheese, put it in the air fryer. It's going to be gorgeous. You can add a bit of basil on top. Mwah. Or you have some fried veggies, eggplants, yogurt on top, and the sauce. Voila, again, so nice. For example, I gave different recipes through time while making olive oil dishes. Instead of using the tomato in the winter, just use this tomato sauce in the dishes. Let's say barbunya, the recipe's here, or fasulye here. 2 weeks ago, we gave the recipe of yoğurtlama. You can use this sauce instead of making it from scratch. So it will help to so many things.
What about the pizza?
Okay. We also have this pizza that I thought about, like having a small lavash, and we put the sauce in, we put the cheese, some meat, some corn, and a bit of red onions. Voila, we get the pizza under 5 minutes this way, and it's gorgeous and very, very tasty. Crispy bottom, perfect pizza under 5 minutes.
And everybody's waiting.
Please write down where would you use this sauce in a different way. Include those or some of the ideas that you get so that we'll also get an idea. Hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, save the video, share it with your loved ones through WhatsApp and every media, and also do the recipe and share it with your loved ones that way as well. Take care.